Let's start off today with my brother's call out. Fire trade. PLTR took off to the upside. I didn't get in it. I didn't personally like it, but it went crazy. So this was his first entry. Came up, walked it down. Second entry, right? He added to his position. So added. So about 184, like 180.4 up to 183.4. So that's about. I mean, that's a $3 move that he caught. I don't know if he sold at the full 184. Let's see, 184. Yeah, 183. Yeah, fire though. 70% trade. And then for me on the watch list, man, you guys have to be independent. All right, you guys got to be independent a little bit when it comes to the watch list. I can't walk you through it. My trades were pretty fast today. So it's hard to call out. I can't load my contracts, wait for my entry, and type to you guys what I'm loading. It doesn't work like that. When there's a good breakout and a good candle close, and I have enough time for it to retrace to type out my entry because it's gonna catch the trend of the day, that's when I call it out. So I try to only give you guys the biggest plays. Uh, so I still give you the watch list though. SPY 660, get it below, we can get a nice push down. Well, it never went below. That was our bounce. So like, if it doesn't go below, you can take that bounce to previous highs, which I wanted to. I just missed it. I was on my phone, and I missed my entry by the time it was here. So could I have made an extra dollar on it? Yeah, but whatever. And then Tesla above 422.5. That's what I caught today. This was actually a gorgeous trade. We opened up, broke pre-market, came down and retested it. Beautiful. So that's what I'm saying about this is a fast play, right? Tesla above 422.5 up to 431.5. So Tesla 422.5 is right here. So it breaks, comes back. This is the entry. So I entered, and then I was gonna call it out on a retrace, but we had a crazy bearish divergence. So this is like considered a high risk in my opinion. Like the chance of it actually going to full TP is slim because of bearish divergence. We have selling pressure from the previous day, right? We would have to break through this level to go higher. But you can see that this is a resistance. So as soon as I mean, I sold right here. This was my exit. And that's why I didn't call it out because I was in for what, 5, 10 minutes. It was like a 10-minute trade, just in and out. But that was a 422.50 to 428 almost, which is crazy. So that was a $6 move. Tesla. That's why I'm not too mad about missing SPY because Tesla paid. And then also Microsoft paid, dude. I smacked both. Uh, Microsoft, I caught late myself, so I also couldn't call it out. By the time I came to it, this candle had already formed, this red candle right here. So I like hop on, I see that, I'm like, oh snap, let me go back to the 2 minute real quick. 2 minute prime entry right there. I mean, gorgeous. So I just instantly entered. And then this was the retest that I could have called out, but didn't. So I took it from 513 down to 511.90. It paid though. It paid. So that's about a $2 move. And then see, watch list wise, Apple 239 bounced to 241.5. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Wow. That's gorgeous. Bro, this is the best setup you could ask for. I mean, this was a clean break of a resistance. Back here, right? Good resistance. We break here, we could go to here. All right, perfect. We break here, we go here. we're there right now. So we go back. Look at this. Look at that. Man, oh man, this is the most beautiful chart of the day. This is it. It's gorgeous. Apple is it. Beautiful break. Bounce off support. Go. Right? Previous. So, wait, hold on. Resistance gets broken through, which then becomes support to then take to your next resistance, which this one was just a clean candle close above that next level so you could hold to your next level. All right, guys, your boy Mike Lowy, Lowy Trading Academy. Apple is a perfect example of what to look for in a trade. I mean, that's a clean break and retest strategy. If you simply just wait for that 24/7, you can just be profitable. There is a bunch of other strategies. This was a bounce today that was gorgeous, that worked out. This was a reject. This was a sweep, right? Lower low, back to resistance, take lower. There's a lot of different ways to skin the cat. All right, find what works for you. And if you don't know, that's what we're here for. Join the Discord, hop in the stock chat, ask questions, like, comment, subscribe down below on the YouTube channel. I'll answer.